Welcome to my occasional series, and today, unfortunately through glass, we're looking at this beautiful Gilera. We're at a shop I must admit I hadn't come across before called Tanks and Tailpipes, and it's in Rylstone. In the front window is this beautiful Gilera. I'm sorry there's a bit of reflection coming off. It's won a trophy there, as you can see. It's absolutely immaculate condition. Beautiful restoration on it. We don't know a lot about it. The shop's not open, unfortunately, to go inside and inquire about it, but it's a lovely Gilera. I'd say 350, 500 single. Let's try and look in there. Gilera were well known for their racing bikes and victories on the Grand Prix circuits. So this is one here that's been done up beautifully, and there's no bike over the back, but we can't see it either, unfortunately, nor can we see or buy any of the stock here. So that's in the window of Tanks and Tailpipes in Rylstone, New South Wales. Hit the like button. If you happen to be the owner or you know anything about it, tell us about it.